Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing this Hewlett-Packard Pavilion laptop. It's been doing this for the last 4 days. It will not boot up. Tried everything. I tried using a repair disk. I was able to start it in a semi-safe mode by restarting it and tapping the escape key. And I was able to run a diagnostic, and the diagnostic says that the hard drive is bad. So I'm going to attempt to replace the hard drive, even though this is 10 years old and I already replaced it with another laptop. My grandsons like to come over and use it once in a while when I let them play computer games. I tore into this laptop about a year ago to replace the Wi-Fi card. So I got to remove everything, take the battery out. Lift up this black locking bar. Then you could get the ribbon out. Same here. Here's a replacement hard drive. It's made by Seagate. It's called a Barracuda, made in Thailand, and it's a 1 terabyte storage. This should hold me for a while. Part number 2, GH172-024. Okay, it's working, but it doesn't have a boot device. It tells me to install an operating system on my hard disk, so that's my next step. Finally found my Windows 10 DVD, and it is booting up from the DVD. It's going to take a while. Now I got to find my product key. I don't know where that is. Everything was working great except for my Wi-Fi card. And that's not the fault of the hard drive. So I got to give a thumbs up to the Seagate hard drive. I'm very happy with it and I recommend it. I'm going to have to open this up again and reseat that Wi-Fi card, see if I could get that running. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.